says determine the magnitudes of the following vectors. Vector A is equal to 3i plus 4j, B 2i plus 3j plus 6k, then C 4i minus 3j. So these we're going to find the magnitudes of these vectors. So just as we begin, a vector such as the A is given by the components plus ay. Of course, we know that this shows the direction to say this is in x, then this is in y. Then in 3D, we have x, or A is equal to ax plus ay plus az. That is in three-dimensional vectors, or in 3D. Now, from this, a magnitude of a vector is given by, if you want to find the magnitude of this, it is given by the square root of ax squared plus ay squared. In a three-dimensional, this one will be given by the square root of ax squared plus ay squared plus az squared. So this is how we find the magnitude of vectors. So if we plug in the values that we have, what we are going to find are the magnitudes. Now let us look at this question. So we have for A solutions, the magnitude of A, this should give us we have solutions, the magnitude of A, so let us go to A. A is equal to 3i plus 4j. Now we know that a magnitude of a vector is given by this. So we have A, which is equal to, so our x is 3, then y is 4, which is this one. So this one, what we're going to get is 9 plus 16, which will give us 25. 25, this one, so 25, the square root of 25 is 5 meters per second. If it's volume cubic, we find the magnitude of a vector. So the units will depend on what you have. If it is the magnitude of distance, units will be meters. If it is the velocity, it will be meters per second. If it's volume, cubic meters. So whatever you have. So let us go to B. We go to B. A magnitude can either be given, in fact, it can either be given by just a solid one, and in some instances, this one. So this, it is the one and the same thing. In some books, they just indicate as the magnitude of this one. But let us use this one in this video. So we go to B. We have B is equal to 2i plus 3j plus 6k. So the magnitude of this, the magnitude of B, will be given by, which will give us square root of 4 plus 9 plus 36. So this, we are going to get 49. Square root of 49, it is 7 units. So now we go to vector C. Vector C is given by 4i minus 3j. So vector C is given by 4i minus 3j. So this one, the magnitude of vector C, this one is going to give us square root of 4 squared plus negative 3 squared. So this one we're going to get square root of 16, 4 squared is 16 plus negative 3 squared, we're going to get, so it's a positive, a negative times negative is positive. So we're going to get 9. Here we're going to get 25, 16 plus 9 is 25, and what we're going to